Hi! In front of me is HUAWEI P10 Lite, and today I would like to show you how you can change and customize your keyboard's theme. First of all, open your keyboard and click on this icon at the top left corner of it. Now select those three dots at the top right one, and then scroll down to access Themes section. Now you can click on any of the available ones to apply the best one. So when I do that, as you can see, theme of my keyboard has changed. If you wish to customize it instead, click on Customized at the top right corner, select Start under New Theme, and tap on Add Image. Then tap on the best one for you. I will go with this one. Or maybe not. Maybe I will go with this one. Okay, now you can adjust your image, pinch it to scale, and drag it to move. Then use this slider at the bottom to pick background darkness. When you finished, hit Done at the top right corner. Now you can manage key borders thanks to this switcher. And when you're done, hit Save at the top right corner. So when I do that, as you can see, theme of my keyboard was successfully customized with an image. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment, and subscribe. Bye!